Hello, Shakti and everyone.
Hey, Natalia.
I'm gonna show you my portfolio, and I used our portfolio builder in StocksDojo to create it and then track and analyze. And right
Yeah,
now, I can easily and quickly see what is going on with all my holdings. Let's go! I'm too excited. Are you excited?
yeah, awesome. Yeah, this is the time for us to flex our portfolio builder in the app. And I know you are tracking your real portfolio, but we have the ability to track unlimited unreal portfolios so that you can test and see what would have happened if you had invested in so and so stocks. And that's actually exciting, right? So you know for real, right? Okay, my investment decisions worked or not worked, which portfolio is doing best, and maybe you can learn something from that and improve your investing decisions in the future.
This is my saved portfolio, the one which I just created actually only 2 weeks ago, and I already can see that there is 2.8, almost 2.9% growth, and who were like good guys. You see all these green stocks which bring me some gains, some losses from Nike, CRM, American Express, HP, and Alphabet.
So who is the
Well,
biggest winner and who is the biggest loser?
I would just scroll down, and here I see that Eleven's Health is the biggest winner.
Is that if you remember was the valuation. The stock was undervalued, and we
Yes,
thought it's the right time to get in, and you made a great decision. Yeah.
the companies which I'm getting losses, I don't really worry that much because I still like these companies and I believe in them. Maybe I can clone my portfolio, can I?
Yeah, you can clone your portfolio, add additional stocks, and then start from that day. That is today. You can
Okay,
even remove some of the existing stocks that you already have.
perfect. So this is hypothetical portfolio that I
Yeah,
can.
you
So
can
this is
probably change your name this time.
okay, beautiful, and I will call it my portfolio uh, imaginary. Imaginary. Is the spelling right? I was thinking to buy Lululemon
Mhm. No, just
and
mention the amount of stocks, shares, or the dollars that you're planning to invest. It should automatically allocate.
I'll get five Lululemon and maybe I would also can I get Bitcoin?
Yeah, you can use the iBit iShares Bitcoin Trust, which I think is something that we could trust.
Okay, and I will get maybe like around 12 of them.
Why would you buy Bitcoin?
Just a little bit of gambling, little bit
What
of
is
spice. It's like cooking a meal, and
Yeah,
then
you need some
just uh,
spices.
just add little bit of spice to that.
Awesome. The start date and end date is only applicable if you want to analyze the portfolio and see what had
Ah,
happened
yeah,
over the
yeah, I got it, I
But
got
if
it,
you
I
just
got it.
directly save it, it's going to be in your portfolio, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, you can actually test what would have happened with your portfolio. So
What
these
could
are the
have happened in the
allocations,
last year?
and this is the chart for the last 1 year. What is the return? You can see at the top how much is the percentage, total return
Ooh,
percentage in green above the years.
33%.
Yeah,
Oh,
good.
really? Just in 1 year,
Is it
33%.
not exactly 1 year, like 1.5 plus years? Yeah.
That
So
is
because we had
cool.
the tariff drop, right? Because of the tariff issue, there was a drop, and it is recovering now. At box below, you have below the chart, you have all these boxes, right? Those are the ones which
Yeah.
will give you insights of. Yeah. So that's where you get. Okay, so if you add a what is your total percentage return, and then what amount you put, and what you would have now, and your CAGR, which is the yearly annual return, and what is your total dividend yield out of this portfolio? What was the maximum drawdown in that time frame? What was your best year and the worst year, and start date and end date? And which particular stock was limiting the start date? In this case, it was IBIT. So IBIT limited it to 2024. If you remove IBIT, you'll have a much farther history. Yeah, and then and below that, below the boxes, you have the individual stocks and how much they grew from the start date, and the percentage allocation of each of those stocks. And now you can save this portfolio, going back to the save portfolio button, and that will now come into your list of portfolios. You already have one. Have you saved it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
now
saved it twice.
you saved it twice, so there's a double imaginary, but it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, now if you go into this one, it has just started today.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't see anything because you just started today, right? But if you come back after a week or so, you'll see the changes that happened within that week.
That is cool. Thank you, Shakti.
Thank you.
And see you very soon. Bye, everyone.